Are you looking for a clever hostess or neighbor gift for this upcoming holiday season? What if you could bring a gift that fills the entire home with warmth and holiday cheer? These mulling spices smell amazing and make the perfect hostess or even neighbor gift. They're super easy to put together. You can buy mulling spices online at like Williams-Sonoma. They have similar ingredients, but those will cost you close to $40 for a small container. I grabbed these clear bags at the Dollar Tree, and then I bought my spices in bulk and these cute gift boxes from Amazon. In each bag I include a small orange, some fresh cranberries, a couple sticks of cinnamon, some cloves, and some whole nutmeg. To enjoy this festive aroma, just bring some water to a boil, slice your orange, and then dump the rest of the bag into the boiling water. I do like to grate some fresh nutmeg just to get things started, but you don't have to. You can let this simmer all day on low, just on your stovetop, but don't forget to continually check the water level and add more water when it gets low. You can really help my channel grow just by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy gifting!